We've all had moments where we fall short of clothes for these native surprise events, and all we find in our wardrobes are clothes that are either too simple or too dressy. So today I thought of mixing these two up and creating out 5 looks using a basic white tee for 5 events. Let's get started. Now boho is my new favorite, so this had to be the first outfit. I've kept the look simple by adding small boho elements to it, like the neck piece, leopard heels and the sunshades. These sunglasses are a perfect way to emit back the rays of the sun at itself. Do try it out this summer. I paired the tee with a sequin print skirt and similar patched neck piece. I added some boots to make it seem like the outfit took some extra effort, perfect for lounges, sneak outs and parties. The third look is super comfy for summers and thus ideal for a lunchy brunch in the afternoon. I've paired a strappy airy dress with a white tee, making it look casual and trendy at the same time. Chic looks have always been my favorite and so it's this one. I've paired the tee with a sporty skirt, added this pair of similar shades to add in an extra element to my look and definitely tried out a new thing, which is a DIY scarf belt. We all have that one swimsuit we bought just to fulfill our wardrobe essentials, but never wore, especially in a facade like Delhi. Pairing it up with a basic tee, some flare jeans and street boots is the best way to use up the waist.